Welcome to A Touch of Glass. Based in Upminster, we are a family-run business who pride ourselves on providing a personal and professional service across Essex, London and the South East. Our philosophy since the company was formed over 35 years ago is that we will never do hard selling. We believe that our workmanship should speak for itself, and we are confident that our reputation is why customers choose us. As an authorised partner of Rehau, we only use the highest quality products available on the market, providing a stress-free and aesthetically pleasing transformation for your property. The top quality Rehau PVC-U system boasts maximum energy efficiency to help minimise the amount of heat lost through your windows and doors, therefore helping you reduce the cost of your energy bills. All our windows come in a range of colours and styles, and we also have a wide selection of LED designs so that your windows are personalised to your unique needs. If you live on a busy road, our installations will massively reduce noise pollution, helping you to get a good night's sleep. We are fully certified with the industry governing bodies, and we are registered with FENSA as well as being MTC compliant. All our installations come with GGFI guarantee protection, and we operate with a high degree of proficiency so you can be sure of complete peace of mind. It's true to say that we offer a service like no other. Get in touch for your free no obligation quote. A touch of glass. No salesman, no canvassers, no hassle.